back to Secretary Duque. Secretary Duque, in the last hearing, you said that you were ordered by Malacanang to pay within 10 days the SRA. Is this SRA payment within 10 days for the 20,000 frontliners only? Or is this 10 days deadline for all 488,000 frontliners?
Ito lang pong 20,208 because this was the list that was forwarded to us by the healthcare facilities. But it's
No, but I am sure the president meant to pay all those who are claiming, hindi po ba? Hindi lang yung 20,000.
We are dependent on the validated list. It's very difficult.
So how long will it take for you to validate the list so that you can get 95% paid? Because right now with these 20,000 workers and 311 million, you're only addressing 5% of the claims, more or less. Kasi 488,000 yung kailangan bayaran, 20,000 lang. So paano yung 95% ng mga frontliner? Kailan nila matatanggap? How long will you process it? How long do you have to process it? They want to know how long, because every day they're risking their lives. Every day they can be exposed to COVID. So at least let us give them, how do you call it? The courtesy at the very least of telling them when will they get it. It is due them. We can't keep them, allowing them to humaharap sila sa bala, ika nga, sa gera, tapos bahala na kung kailan nyo matatanggap yung mga bala ninyo at yung mga equipment ninyo. Kailan? Kailan mababayaran yung 95% na hindi pa nababayaran yung 488,000? Ano ang timetable ninyo? Meron ba?
Gaya na sinabi ko, Your Honor, Mr. Chairman, yung listing napakamahalaga po nito dahil yan po magiging...
Yes, I understand. You cannot release without the list. But give our frontliners a timetable so that they can expect it and that you also will call on your people to meet that deadline. Kung walang deadline, baka walang mangyayari sa atin. We want to have a timeline. When will the 95% who have already served and should be entitled to the SRA receive the SRA? Maybe 3 months? 2 months? 3 months? Bago magpasko?
Mga 2 months yan. Mga 2 months, Your Honor. Meron na po.
Okay. That's my last question. 2 months to be able to attend to and deliver on the 95% SRA of our frontliners. At least maliwanag yan.
Yes, yung validated list po natin.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. My next...
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.